Welcome everyone, my name is Kay and I'm a wildlife carer. Come with me and let's explore the incredible biodiversity that we have in the city of Casey. With over 1,000 different species, I'm excited to show you some of the plants, animals and fungi that we have here in our region. I hope you enjoy it. Today we're going to be exploring some of the wetter places around Casey. Every living thing needs water to survive, just like you and me. We're going to head down to Western Port Bay in the south of Casey to the coastal towns of Tooradin, Blindbright and Warneet. Western Port Bay is a Ramsar listed area of world importance. This means that it's protected because of its precious biodiversity, especially the birds that visit from overseas. Here at Tooradin foreshore, all of the different seabirds are playing in the shallows, catching little crabs, chattering to one another. Look at this Pacific gull soaring in the sky, flying into land next to its family. And another young gull floating around enjoying the water. If you're here early in the morning, you might meet a pelican or two who love to catch a fish or two, or get some scraps from the fishermen. Sometimes though, birds mistake rubbish for food, and it makes them really sick. It's important that we take our rubbish home with us so this doesn't happen. When the tide is out, the crabs and shellfish aren't protected, so they can be eaten by some of the hungry birds. Some of these birds fly thousands of kilometres across the seas to get here. They must be exhausted. The coast is unique because of incredible mangrove systems and salt marshes. These plants survive in areas other plants don't. Take a look. Their roots poke out of the mud to breathe. To survive in salty water, the plants are able to push the salt out of their leaves. What a beautiful pattern the salt crystals make on the leaves. Mangroves do so many things, like clean the water and give a place for our small creatures to live and breed. They also slow the waves down and protect the coastline from erosion. Now we know about saltwater areas of Casey, let's take a look at the freshwater areas too. Casey has a lot of wetlands, new and old, and they're all thriving with life. Wetland habitats are an ideal place for food and shelter for a wide range of birds, frogs, reptiles, insects and fish. Reptiles, like this turtle, are good at hiding. You wouldn't even know they're there. And some you can hear but cannot see, like these frogs. Here at Berwick Springs Wetland Reserve, the wetlands are bursting with activity. Plenty of vegetation on the water's edge. It is perfect for new families, like these swans, who make nests for their babies called cygnets in the reeds. Here they are, crossing the lake together. Where the water is shallow, there are a lot of special plants, and it's a perfect spot for insects to breed. A lot of birds also find food in these spots. Look at them flip upside down to catch their dinner. It's a perfect place for frogs too. Can you hear them all croaking? The long toes of wetland birds make them walk just a little bit funny. But their long legs are very handy to keep their belly dry while they wade through the water. Well, the sun is about to set and the birds are finding their place for the night. It's been so much fun visiting the wetlands and the coasts of Casey today. I hope I'll see you here next time. Bye for now.